In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a client site. First, navigate to the Clients tab, and click Client Site. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add client site profile on this page. Simply enter all or mandatory information. You must select a client to which the site belongs to, and add one or more worker tasks which you have agreed to work at this site. Additionally, you can also upload client documents and select either you want to show selected documents to field workers via mobile application. Similarly, a web forms feature is also available. To do so, you can create an online web form using Google Forms and link it with desired client sites. Finally, it's time to search your site location on Google Map and setting up a virtual geographic boundary of client site within which workers will perform duties. Please note that radius or geofence setting depends on different technical factors such as internet connectivity, signal strength, GPS accuracy setting on mobile device, etc. Now that you have entered all required details, simply press Save the Record button and now you will see a confirmation message. Coming back to the list page, you will see your recently added client site on top of the records. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to the Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to the Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.